Continue. Rather, the relation should take place amidst their mutual consent and joy. Okay. He should converse and daily with a somewhat, with her somewhat. Commentary. Hagiga 5b describes how the sage Rav would abandon all formalities and inspire an atmosphere of the relaxed happiness before marital intimacy. Note the description of Rav in chapter 2, Halachah 4. So basically, I think it says that one of the students, he decided to follow his Rav, and he was hiding under the bed when this Rav was with his wife. And then I think he started asking him from under the bed all these questions. So Rav get only a little upset.
Funny. I think that was Rabbi Akiva. I think they heard it.
Rabbi Akiva.
That was funny.
Rabbi Akiva was earlier in the Gemara.
But that was a funny story. I think that was very interesting.
Okay, so two people are talking. Okay, go ahead. Who is first? So it was Rabbi Akiva who said
no. It's on the same daf of the Gemara. Rabbi Akiva is a little earlier when it's talking about him going. When it's talking about his, I think it's Rabbi Yehuda going to the bathroom. Rabbi Akiva entered, so on and so forth. And then later on, a little bit later on in the Gemara, then it talks about. I don't think it was Ben Azai. I think it was the Gemara right afterwards. But no, it was not Rabbi Akiva.
Okay, so no, okay. They say here it's a story about Rav. So I think maybe it's a different Gemara. So I remember that the student was laying under the bed, and he would ask. So this rabbi say, "What are you doing under the bed?" Right? When I was my wife, he said, "No, I just want to learn Halachah. Don't think anybody. It's not what it looks like. I just want to learn Halachah from you." That's very, yeah. So you see the dedication of these people. But a rabbi's reaction was, I think it's very unpredictable. So he said, "What are you doing there, my son?" Okay, so continue. So one more time the whole sentence. He should converse daily with her somewhat, so that she would be relaxed. So relaxed, number 62. I get it. HaKodesh states, you should motivate her with words and move your heart and settle your mind and make her happy, so that your mind will be fused with hers. So that's what we said before. Like you have to be in union, and your intent with your intent with your intent. You should say some things that arouse your desire, feeling of connection, love, will, and romance, and others which lead her to the fear of God, piety and modesty. So all of these things at the same time, basically. Continue. He should engage in marital intimacy with her modestly, not boldly, and withdraw from her immediately. Number 63. Immediately. The commentaries note that Rambam's statements are based on the following passage from Nadarim 20b. They ask Ima Shalom, that's famous one, Ima Shalom, the wife of Rabbi Eliezer, why are your children so attractive? And she replied to them, he only engages in intimacy with me at the midnight. During the marital intimacy, he uncovers her handbreadth and covers her handbreadth. That is, he engages in intercourse modestly, and it appears that a demon is, pressuring him. That is, he would withdraw after completing the sexual act. So, meaning without any prolonging. That's it. He did whatever he did. Okay.
Yeah, Rabbi, I want to add that the Stipler going, and I think I saw other Mefarshim, but either way, the Stipler going is very, very against this Rambam. Against doing what Rabbi Eliezer did according to the Gemara and the Dharm.
Okay. I mean, I want to also Ramchal discussed this is the same Gemara. He said it's very, very high level. So maybe not all of us on that level, but still we should know that it's proper. So Torah should not be like build up to us, so we have to live up to Torah. So just because we were not on a level, so does not mean that somebody is wrong. Like I was reading today, I was learning with somebody and read Shulchan Aruch 3 times and did not make sense. So that person said maybe they did not translate. I said problem is us. Don't stop with Shulchan Aruch. I mean we need more explanation with Mishnah Brura. There was no Mishnah Brura, like no explanation. But basically the problem is us, not with our Torah or teachings.
Oh, from what I understand from the Cycle Grain at least, he wasn't against what Rabbi Eliezer did. He's against people doing it today. As what I understand, is because of your chiyuv in the ketubah to satisfy your wife. That's why.
Okay. No, but if he can,
we're not on that.
No, but if he can satisfy his wife and be modest in the same time, what is it? There is no contradiction. There are two separate things. Go ahead. Sorry.
No, not the modesty. Yes, but modesty up to Rabbi Eliezer's level to do it the way he did it. They're saying that Stipler Grain was saying that that's a problem, but general modesty, correct.
I mean, if it does not hurt any relations, and here his wife of this Rab, she was very proud of her children. Maybe I don't know. Maybe she thought that missing something in the process. But when you see the product of your behavior of these beautiful children, these holy children, so that's a big achievement, I think.
No, I agree with you. I'm saying
it's not like everybody have to follow this level. It was not a Rambam, right? It was not a Rambam. It was a commentary on a Rambam from that Gemara. So of course we don't take it as Halachah, but is one example of the piety that the person can.
That he says, the Cypher Grain says today, it's more or less frowned upon to do it. That's all.
I don't know. I think that the problem is if people are talking about it, if they publicize what they do, that's the issue.
If you have the time, you can go to the Gemara in the Durham, and it mentions the Stipler Grain in the Mafarshim over there. So
all right, no problem. All right, thank you. So continue. Any other comments? Okay.